To disable the shutter sound on Snapchat, follow these steps. First, open the Snapchat app on your device and navigate to the camera screen. This is the main screen where you take photos and videos. Next, locate the settings icon, which is represented by a gear icon, usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on this icon to access the settings menu. In the settings menu, scroll down to the additional services section. Here, you will find various options, including Manage, which allows you to customize your Snapchat experience. Look for the camera sounds option within the additional services section. This option controls the shutter sound that plays when you take a photo or video. To disable the shutter sound, toggle the switch next to the camera sounds option to the off position. When the switch is in the off position, the shutter sound will be disabled, and you will no longer hear the sound when taking photos or videos. It is essential to note that disabling the shutter sound may not be possible on all devices, especially those with certain operating systems or restrictions. Additionally, be aware of your surroundings and ensure that you are not taking photos or videos of people without their consent. By following these steps, you can easily disable the shutter sound on Snapchat, allowing you to take photos and videos discreetly. This feature can be useful in various situations, such as when you are in a quiet environment or when you want to capture a moment without drawing attention to yourself. Remember to review Snapchat's terms of service and privacy policy to understand how your data is used and protected. By being mindful of your Snapchat settings and usage, you can ensure a safe and enjoyable experience on the platform.